Let's learn how to turn your handmade felt miniatures into earrings. I have a piece of embroidery floss that's about 12 inches long, and I've split this 6-strand embroidery floss into just 3 strands. Thread your embroidery needle, leaving one tail short, and at the end of the long tail, you're going to tie 3 knots. You can trim off extra floss if you'd like here. Mine's already pretty short, but I am going to trim it so it's just about 1/8 of an inch long. I'm going to be turning one of my chocolate-covered felt strawberries into earrings. I do have a tutorial on making the strawberry if you'd like to check that out. And I'm just going to sew through the top of the strawberry, pull it so the knot is right up against the top, and then we're going to attach a split ring, or you could use a jump ring. So just put your needle through the split ring, and then back through the top of your strawberry or your felt miniature, and pull that taut, and now your jump ring is essentially attached. We're just going to do a few more stitches to make it more secure. Move your needle through just the split ring, and then go under the split ring and through the felt at the top of the strawberry. Pull taut, and we're going to do this one more time, so just through the split ring and then through the felt. But this time, don't pull taut. Leaving a loop in your floss, you're going to put your needle through that once, and then twice. And now when you pull tight, it's a nice secure little knot. Because I'm a nervous crafter and I like to double and triple knot things, I am going to make 2 more knots. Here's one, and you can see I'm using my thumbnail to hold that knot right up against my project. And I'm going to make a 3rd knot here, again using my thumbnail to hold it right up against my project. Make sure you don't pull any of your felt pieces into the knot like I did. And once that's taut, you can go ahead and just snip off the extra floss. Here I'm just checking to make sure that my split ring feels nice and secure before I go ahead and add my earring wire. These earring wires are nice and easy to use because you don't need jewelry pliers or anything. I'll link them in the description, and just put that through your jump ring. You do want to pay attention to what side of the strawberry you want to be the front. So when you're attaching your split ring, you just want to pay attention. I wanted the seam to be the back, so I have my split ring with the circle opening facing the back, which also means there's a circle opening facing what I want to be the front. And I've attached my earring wire so that that side of the strawberry will in fact face front when I wear them. And now you have the cutest custom handmade felt earrings. Enjoy and subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas.